Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It channel, and this is a quick video for those of you that are actually on Windows. You have security flaws that are fixed since yesterday was Security Update Tuesday, as Microsoft wants to call it, or Patch Tuesday. It's the second Tuesday of the month, so November 10th, 2020, yesterday, and today we're doing this video as of November 11th. So just make sure that you go and update. There are anywhere from 30 to more than 50 security flaws in the different Windows versions. Plus there are security flaws for Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. The new Edge Chromium also has some security flaw updates. And so check it out. This is important. What is mostly important is that it actually has two critical security vulnerabilities. That means that critical is not necessarily that it's exploited by hackers yet, but it will soon be, because when they actually release the Patch Tuesday updates, well, the hackers of course know where to look to get their security, use security flaws to actually exploit and try to have take control of your PC or do bad things. The two big security vulnerabilities in Windows have to do with, on all versions, has to do with the same thing, which is the Windows Print Spooler. It has a remote code execution vulnerability. That means that hackers can actually take control of your PC pretty much. And the other one is about the Windows Network File System remote code execution vulnerability. So the Windows Network File System apparently has a problem there too. So that could potentially make you vulnerable to attacks. So just go to Windows Update and check for updates. Make sure that you apply these updates that were released, and that will make you stay safe. Those on Windows 7 that have extended support, that's mostly businesses. Well, you guys will have, of course, the update available for 20 security vulnerabilities. 2 critical, the same one I just mentioned, and 18 important. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.